little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 2 about the earth. So in this chapter, I will tell you about the earth, a blue planet. It is also known as unique planet because it is the only planet where life is possible, right? So if we talk about the earth, it is very big. We cannot see the whole earth at one time, but we can see it if we make a small model of, right? So what is globe? It is the model of the earth, right? And it shows earth's surface and the physical features like mountains, rivers, seas, as well as political boundaries like countries, states. Because the earth is so large, it is not possible to show every small details on the globe. A globe, it is geoid in shape, which means it is almost round, but it is slightly flattened at the top. And it is tilted at the angle of 23.5, and the middle part of the earth is called equator. This is the middle part, and what we call it equator, which is 0 degree. Here we have North Pole and here we have South Pole, right? So next is hemisphere. What equator do? It divides earth into two parts. The upper part is northern hemisphere and the bottom part is southern hemisphere, right? If we talk about the prime meridian, it's divided into two parts, western hemisphere and the eastern hemisphere, right? So next is continent. How many continents do we have? We have 7 continents. We have Asia, which is the largest continent, Europe, and Asia and Europe, what they make? Eurasia. Next is Australia, Africa, North America, South America, and Antarctica. Antarctica is the only continent which remains frozen throughout the year, right? Then we have ocean. We have 5 oceans: Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. If we talk about Pacific Ocean, it is the largest ocean on the earth. It extends from Arctic in the north to Antarctic in the south. It is bounded by Asia and Australia on the west and America on the east. Then we have Atlantic, which is second largest ocean, bounded by North and South America in the west. We have Indian Ocean, which is the third largest ocean, and it is bounded on the north by Asia and on the west by Africa, on the east by Australia, and south by the Antarctica. Then we have Southern Ocean. It is the 4th largest ocean. It encircles what? Antarctica, and it is called Antarctic Ocean also. Then Arctic Ocean, smallest ocean of the world. Arctic Ocean is divided into 2 basins, Eurasia Basin and North America Basin. Right? Now direction. So, if we talk about direction, knowledge of direction for the study of maps, we have 4 main directions: east, west, north, south. When we hang a map on the wall, the north is towards the upper end of the map, the south is towards the lower end, and the right is the east and left is the west. These are the 4 directions that I have told you. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.